Hey guys, so today I would like to show you my top 5 lipsticks under $1. I've been using these for a long time and I really love them, and they're very much comparable to your branded lipsticks. I've been leaving my branded lipsticks and going for these ones. So basically these lipsticks are very much suitable to be used in every occasion that you want to go to, and they have like all shade ranges. So there are 5 brands I want to share with you guys, and they're all under $1. Like whichever country you live in, it's either you get it for, depending on which country you are in actually, because I bought these in Pakistan and that's where they're made, so probably that's why they're cheap over there. But maybe if you get it in your country, it won't be that expensive. It should be like $2 or $3 maximum. So the first brand I want to share with you guys is Medora of London. This formula is actually the best out of all these. So there are 3 shades I want to show you guys of Medora that are my favorite shades. So I'm gonna swatch them for you, and I've been using them a lot. Actually, I go for them more than my expensive lipstick. This one's called Russet and it's very much orange, and it also goes a bit on the red fire side, not really maroon. And the next color is True Pink, which is also a really nice nude pink. It's really pretty and it doesn't have any cranky. You know, when you use pink lipsticks, you get a bit of it gets a bit dry or cracky in other lipsticks. This lipstick, you don't have that problem. And the last shade, which is my favorite, and I had to show you guys this shade. I have a lot of colors in this lipstick range, but I wanted to show you these 3. So this one is Viva Glam. I've also used it in one of my videos, like I think a year ago. And this is the same lipstick, and it's still like very much a lot. So the next brand I want to share with you guys is Botanics. I think I also showed you guys this lipstick in one of my favorites video, and I was mentioning how cheap it is and how affordable and how nice. This is the same as True Pink. It's actually really pretty, and I've mixed it up today. I've used like 3 colors of this Botanics company. So this is Botanics by the Color Institute London, and this is in the shade 442. This is also under $1 in Pakistan. And this is the shade 458, and it's also a russet-ish shade, but it's a bit less deeper than the Medora one. It's very pretty as well. And so the next company I want to go to is Christine. Christine is just a cosmetic company, I guess. Yes, and it's made in Pakistan. This one is made in Pakistan. The rest are, I think, London, but they're also manufactured in Pakistan. So this is a red one from Christine that I really love. It's like that proper red color. It's not like, it doesn't go to maroon or it doesn't go to orange. So the next shade is also from Christine. It's number 519, and it's a pink shade. I guess you guys have been realizing that I like pink a lot. So it's a nude pink shade. It's very pretty and it doesn't crack on your lips. But overall, why I mentioned Medora first is because it's the best, and it's the best formula out of all these. But I just wanted to share with you guys all this. And the second last one actually is a company called Ads. And it's also a Pakistani company. Yeah, it's made in Pakistan. It's also a very creamy formula. I guess they give you less product, but it's also very worth it because it's under $1. So it has vitamin E. The last one is actually a lip gloss. What would you call it? A lip gloss, a lip balm, a lipstick. You can call it anything. It's one of those lipsticks that have come out that has the green lipstick but actually turns into pink once applying it. This one is my favorite and it's under $1. It's Jacqueline by USA. I think it's made in America. Yeah, and it's in number 09. So that's it for this video. I just hope I didn't bore you guys so much. I really wanted to share with you guys those shades and those lipsticks that I've been loving, and something affordable for people who can't afford very expensive brands. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and if you haven't liked this video already, please like it, because I shared with you guys my top 5 brands actually that I've been loving. Next thing, please turn on the notification bell down below if you want to get a notification every time I post. Thank you. Bye.